Hey everyone, good evening. Today is August 26, 2021, and I'm bringing you another update from Tronfinity. Just as a reminder, Tronfinity has a 7% daily ROI. It has an automatic 20% reinvestment on every withdrawal. And it has 3 levels of referral rewards, and each level is 5%, giving you a total of 15% in referral rewards. This has been going pretty good so far. Let's check out the contract and see how healthy that is. So it's growing. It's not enormous. Let's see, the contract started on August 11th, 2021. And right now they have 591,163.39 TRX. In the contract, that's the equivalent of 49,428.51 US dollars. To date, they've had 444 transactions. And what we'll do is just show you our progress to date. So like I said, it's earning the 7%. So what we've invested so far is 1,071.97 TRX. The amount that we've withdrawn is 748.05. Of that 748, 495.55 has been from referrals. And so let's just go ahead. We're going to withdraw our referral commissions that we've earned. And let's go ahead and withdraw the daily earnings. And as you can see, it automatically added in the 20% reinvestment. And so now our total withdrawn is 1,028.40. And let's just check the wallet to make sure we receive that. So, okay, great. 2 transactions, one for 35.4, which was the referral, and then 244, which is 80% of the daily earnings that was in our contract. So right now, this contract seems to be going along pretty well. We don't have a whole lot invested in this, but it's something that you might want to look into. And just remember, every day that you you should always check the contract balance, maybe even look at the transactions to see if people are withdrawing. Not sure how the reinvestment plays into extending the contract. It helps some contracts seemingly, but it all depends on the community. If they are reinvesting and also, putting in additional income TRX. So on our next one, what we'll probably do is make an additional investment on top of the auto investment. And we'll see how that continues to grow. Okay, so until next time, safe investing, smart investing, and remember, only invest the amount of TRX that you are willing to lose, because you are at risk of losing some or all of your investment. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.